Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Monday.com versus ClickUp. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. Monday.com and ClickUp are actually two project management platforms, and in today's video we're going to make a comparison of them. So first, let's talk about the pricing and let's try to compare them. So let's have Monday.com first. With Monday.com, you actually do have 5 plans that you can actually choose from. That ranges from free to $19. But for the enterprise though, it actually depends. These are for large scale businesses, so you would need to be contacting them in order for you to know how much it would cost you to have a project management platform at Monday.com for an enterprise here. Now, if you scroll down below, you can actually see all the inclusions that are with the plan. So again, the plan ranges from $8 to $19 for the basic 2 Pro plans. Alright, now moving on, let's go to our next application, which is the ClickUp. So with the ClickUp, you also do have 5 types of account. That's the free, the unlimited, the business plus, and the enterprise. So again, for enterprise, you would also need to contact the sales right there in order for you to know how much it would cost you to actually have a ClickUp account for big businesses. Alright, so this is way cheaper than Monday.com because they have their starting price as $5 to $19. Now let's talk about its user interface and customization. Starting off with Monday.com. So when you're still starting up with Monday.com, it will ask you to create your own board. So Monday.com offers a clean and visually appealing interface with a more intuitive drag and drop functionality, which I will be showing to you in a while. So basically here, it is actually better with group tasks to be able to organize with work there, and then you could also invite your teammates by adding them onto this section. So as you can see, it actually has a very colorful board, and it provides customizable templates for different use cases such as project management, CRM, HR, and etc. So there. So say for example, we are done with the task. All you need to do is to just tick on the box right here, and then afterwards, in the status section, you could also like add or click on it and then simply hit on done if you're already all good. So basically, it's very easy and simple to use. However, if you also want to check out other things, like say for example this one, you can actually have task 1, and then you can make a comment and mention the person that is actually working on that specific task there. So that's how you can use and start off with Monday.com. Now let's talk about the other platform, which is ClickUp. Okay, now for ClickUp, this is how it looks like. So basically, this is the list form, and it actually also offers a customizable interface just like Monday.com, but it allows a more flexible and granular level of customization. So you can actually customize view fields, statuses, and workflows to match their specific requirements. So say for example, we have a to-do list here. This is our board, and if you're already complete with a specific to-do, then you can actually just drag it to the complete section, or like say for example, we're gonna have like a working on it status, then you can actually drag it right there as well. Now this is how it looks like in the home page section. So there are actually like calendars, what's trending, what's your work to do, are there any comments that were being added, And you could also like add people onto your project basically and invite them. So there. And one thing is that we could also create a dashboard. So here you can choose from different kinds of templates, but for the other templates, it you need to upgrade to a specific plan already. Okay, for our dashboard template, you just need to choose a specific um, dashboard basically, or project that you have created in the past, or you could also start a new. And say for example we have this one. So there, it's pretty simple and easy, and there are a lot of things that you can do with ClickUp as well. Alright, so now moving on to our next project, comparison. Okay, now let's talk about task and project management. So again, here is my board for monday.com. So it's very easy and simple to use. Basically, this is like the table form of your monday.com. So all you need to do is to click on a specific task and have the status. You can see when it's due date, who's the owner, and whatnot. If you would like to have another form, there are actually different types of board views, like a table, Gantt, chart, calendar, Kanban, and the likes. So you just need to choose. Say for example, we want to have it as a calendar form. So basically it would look like this, and you could add new tasks as well, like the one that we had in the table form or in the tablet form. So there, so to add a new task, you just need to click on the blue button and then have its owner, the due date, and the status, and hit on create task afterwards. Now let's try to check out how it would be in ClickUp. So here in ClickUp, let's go to a dashboard or a board that we have. I'm gonna have this one. So in my board, you can actually see all my boards right here, what I should do, what's in progress, what's complete. So if you're already done, again, you can just simply drag and drop it to the status of your of that specific task. So here in the list, say for example, I'm going to go to a calendar view as well. So there. Like monday.com, you can actually also view it in different formats. So it has more. We do have the calendar, the Gantt, the table, the mind map, and document, and also integrations as well. So basically that's how you can use ClickUp for project management. And basically that's a comparison between monday.com and ClickUp. I hope that this has enlightened you, and thank you so much for watching this video.